Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Zacconi espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a bit of work. We had to get inside this groove head and we had to replace the gaskets of the groove head itself. These ones that you see right here. While we were removing the piston, we find out that the piston itself, this one, as you can see, is completely corroded and it was not letting the gasket stay in here. So we had to replace it. We replaced it with a brass one inside, which is going to be much better than this one. And we also replaced the gasket of the machine itself. We replaced the gasket of the tank, this one right here. Replace the side glass, the gaskets of the side glass, the gasket of the gauge itself, the gasket of the cap, and the gasket of the steamer one as well. We lubricate everything and clean it up as well. So yeah, we did a bit of work with this machine, as these ones with the spring over here, they're really hard to kind of put back together and to service, as that spring really creates a lot of force going through here. So you try to push this thing all the way up, it's going to be really hard. You need very special tools in order to actually be able to move the piston up, so you are able to move the pins and then you are able to service everything, and then put it back together is a whole different story. But we got the whole machine. It's been sitting here the whole day. It has not leaked. Has not done any overheat or done anything out of the normal working conditions of the machine. So it's just been doing great. So starting with one shot of espresso, I'm gonna be testing out this machine. Now, because this is a spring lever machine, it needs to be calibrated with our grind. I'm using our grind from our espresso machine, our Lady Bianca on the back. So I think it might be a little too fine for this machine, but we will see how it goes, just to let you know that. So let's see. All right, we are opening the chamber inside the boiler, and now we can just let go and extract the coffee. It only can hold 1 ounce over here, so this is exactly what we're getting. Nice and steady stream. It didn't come out perfectly like I wanted to. Probably I need to tamp this shot properly. I was afraid I was going to have very low flow, but it just happened. The opposite just happened. Basically, there you go. Yep, unfortunately I didn't put that much coffee and I didn't tamper as hard as I should have. When you don't tamper that hard and you don't put that much coffee, you basically see what just happened. You see a bunch of flow coming out through here and you do not see that beautiful flow coming through the cup and that beautiful crema that we're all looking for. So you don't see that. You really need to dial in your grinder with this machine. I cannot do that, unfortunately. But as you can see, we have an amazing flow coming out from the lever. Really good. Pressure coming out from the boiler. As you can see, it's nice and steady. Really great steam coming out. Amazing. Working great and excellent temperature. So there you have it. Zacconi working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day. And thanks for watching. Hit that like and hit that bell.